footprints are in Danielle.
I know, but there's
There's no name on that.
There's no name.
Yeah. So put
Just
Nicole.
footprints.
Nicole.
No, that's Danielle. Oh,
Is this Danielle?
where's
Is this
Danielle?
one of the
That's
footprints?
Nicole's.
That's Nicole's.
It's
Okay.
Nicole's, yeah.
So, yeah, the footprints have Danielle. Or Danielle has the footprints.
Alright, so I'm just gonna put it on the label, which should be taken off anyway. Yeah.
You've been the active one on top the whole time.
Has she?
Yes. She's just been right on top there, moving and shaking. Saying, you big tub. It's me down here.
She's 36.5, so I'm going to go ahead and do a footprint.
Okay. We're going to do footprints now.
Alrighty.
Let's get her. Oh, it looks right there.
I'm going to do a...
What him do his?
Well,
She was just on the phone. She picked me and Spencer up at
oh, neat.
School.
Tim, did you get called?
I
Tim?
got
school
a
at
phone.
noon. And
I've got a call. You call Tim and I'll go.
Okay.
Now which one is this?
This is Danielle.
Danielle? And the other?
And now here's Nicole.
yeah,
You move
There's
him, Mommy. Yeah. The face looks too dark. And this is Nicole eating. Jump. There we go. Top time. Yum, yum.
Thirsty?
sort of puts him to sleep.
Yeah. Comes Dad in.
Thank you.
Hi, Dad.
Thank you.
And here's Andy Kim holding Danielle.
Just push her back that one time here.
Yeah.
What?
Flat my hair.
Uncle Steve's taking pictures and so am I.
Hold her back. Danielle,
Hey, Danielle. Oh.
There's talent.
Tricky man. The trickiest part is keeping your gown tucked under your chin.
Oh, yes. Nicole's left. Danielle is right.
That's the way they are.
Bump is right in the middle.
Can you see her? Oh.
That's a beautiful sight. You can relax.
It's tricky. Gotta do some bicep workouts. My arms are already getting tired.
Yeah,
I think they want 10-pound babies.
that's right. And then there's Danielle. And there's Nicole. They're very happy when they're with their mother. Here's our room. Empty now.
Flowers?
Couple of flowers.
Could be like a little chart thing. And can
Chart
little
thing?
weights.
Oh.
Little purple.
Oh, yes. Here, since we always do Danielle first, we'll do Nicole. She feels like she is the one. Because she is. They all are. Beautiful kids. There's Nicole, the big B. Then we'll go on over to Danielle.
My nose is clear. I can breathe.
There's Danielle, but you really can't see that. This is the one you want to see. There she is, and she's A. She's 5'14", 19 inches. There's a big 1.75 inch difference between the two. Yes, we've got the large lady, And the little lady. And there's me. How you doing?
They got turned off.
Oh, gotta turn it off.
You got turned off because she slipped off.
Who did?
She herself. Pumpkin.
It's a world of fun, it's a world of fun. It's so much to be shared that I'm glad you cared. The small world after all. It's a 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 small, small world. Much to be aware that it's glad that you cared. It's a small, small world. Yay! Hey, hey!
Come on, Alexandra. Let's go. Let's dance. Let's dance, baby.
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
Where are you, Alexandra? You
Well,
must
to
be
it's a world of apples. It's a world of bananas. World of apples.
getting. You got here.
You guys have these cool. I mean, both of them have this cool face, man. Nate, you got a cool face too. Can you please stop this?
Hey, can you play a different song?
No, I think that's the only one.
Is that the
you
only
play.
song?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Sing to that song.
Is it still broken? Patch it up. He's a Madonna wannabe.
What's the name of that song? Oh, it's Da-da-da. All right.
Doesn't matter about the music, he's got a
That's a
consistent beat.
good
He
one.
does.
Go get your guitar and Uncle Mike will play it. He'll show you how to play it.
Hey, Danny. Danny.
You don't want it.
There you go.
Kid's got rhythm.
That one again.
We're gonna get tired of small world.
All right. I
Yeah.
want to know who gave him that guitar.
Uncle Joe, I mean Grandpa Joe.
What was that? Did he give him that? Oh, you
Spencer
should have
doesn't like- He
known.
likes this one. He doesn't like it.
Can I wear your hat?
He told Grandpa, he said, I don't want that one.
Really? What was that one? What was the
The
other
one
one?
he got for his birthday, he got a guitar too.
Oh, did he? Oh. I guess I didn't see that.
Yeah, it's a little music thing.
Yeah.
Enough's enough. Okay, we're just getting started. 100 years if it's a small world.
Okay. I'll get
Cool, man. You're cool. You're so cool. Wow, dude. You're so cool. All right. Baby. And it comes sailing out of the sky. My gosh. Just don't light it on fire. Okay. Oops. Baseball bat. Your baseball bat.
Part where you have to watch out for the dog's head.
Oh, you need a baseball bat, Nate. Go find your baseball bat.
You don't like any kids.
Go find your baseball bat.
Nobody's seen yada yada anywhere.
And the blindfold.
Go!
Here it goes! Here it goes! Woo! There it is! Get it hard! Hit it hard!
Behind you!
Harder! Hit it hard! Put the hurt on it.
Go, brother. You see that?
Swing.
Go.
Good
Brother.
shot.
Brother.
Hey!
Brother. Brother. Brother.
All right, that's good. Next person.
Spencer?
Spencer!
I go say
You can
brother,
be after
and she
Spencer,
goes,
Danny.
I go
How's that?
say brother, and she's like,
Ooh, don't
brother.
step on
Spencer
doggy.
needs to be tied up.
Here, Bubba.
Yeah, get him good.
Hello, Bubba.
Is lady going to do it? Is lady going
That's okay, that's perfect.
Hi, Brutus.
It obstructs their vision enough.
Here, lady,
Okay,
want to do
here's
it?
that. No,
Okay. Step back, man.
Come here, Nate.
No, Brutus.
Come over by me.
Say, go, brother.
There you go. Whoa!
Hey, come over, stand by me so you don't get hit.
Oh my! Oh! Oh my!
It's right in front of you!
Oh! Oh!
Woo!
Oh my!
Right there!
Woo! Oh! Oh!
Right in front of you! It's gonna go on your head!
There you go.
Over here, no,
Here
it's over here! Right there, it's right there! It's right
Say, brother, go.
there!
it comes. Get it.
Right
Get
Yay!
it. Watch out, Nate. Don't get hit.
The force be with you, Luke.
Go get it.
Whoa!
Go get it, Spencer.
The force be with you, Luke.
Go get it. Get it.
Oh!
Here, go right there! No!
Go!
Get back here by me.
It's bull.
All right, it's Danny's turn. Good work, Spence.
Nice job, Spencer.
You suck on
You
it.
crammed it on his head.
You're taking my scalp off, man.
You hammered that hat in on him. Not bad, Spencer.
There you go, Spencer.
If it fits, you can wear it.
There, let's see if it. Hold on. Get it up high behind his head. There you go. Now, do you want to wear the hat too, or just no? Okay. All right.
Haley, listen to her.
You better be aware, this man's strong.
Go,
Over by me.
This is the strongest man alive. He plays t-ball. Woo! Woo!
Don't let it hit you in the head. That'll hurt.
Oh, it's sneaking up on you. Oh my! There's the power.
Right behind you. It's right above you. There it is. Hurt it.
Get it up higher, higher, Tim. Higher. You gotta have it higher.
Right behind you. There you go. Oh! Get it. Swing, now, swing, now, swing.
Lady, are you scared
hurt
of
it.
something?
Hey!
You got it. Oh, harder. There you go.
Oh, get that one! Get it! Get it! Get it!
Hit Spencer.
Watch out, Spencer.
Pull it up! Pull it up! Pull it up! Pull it up!
Here.
Pull it up! Pull it up!
Dismembering.
Ah! Pull it up!
Did you get? Yeah, you got it. Oh, this is heavy.
How's your pockets?
Oh,
Let me see.
my pockets, Mike.
Hey, Spencer,
All
your pants are
right.
falling down. He's got some skin in his pockets.
My pockets.
Good job, Spence.
Whoa.
No.
Go get it.
Okay, Danny, step aside so you don't get hit. Okay, he's gonna swing. Spencer, come here, hold my hand.
Where's the bat?
It's right down below you, right in front of your foot. Hold my hand.
Okay, get back.
Okay, where
He
is
don't want to let go of his pockets. Swing! There's a dog behind you.
Oh my! Go, Nate, go!
Swing again. Swing.
Wait, go.
You're gonna knock off somebody's head. Swing again. Whose idea was that?
Get it, Spencer.
All right, let's kill you one more.
Okay, get back.
Okay, get ready. Nate, come stand by me. Spencer.
Back, Lindsay.
Go, go! Cream it.
Wait, well, okay, stop.
You guys stand back. We should swing.
Get that
Really
candy.
good rip.
Get that candy.
This is getting heavy.
Okay, step, hold me.
My pocket's
Okay,
Put it in your pocket, Spencer, hurry. Put it in your pocket.
Hey, this is
You're ready
pretty
to use this
heavy.
swing again.
You've got a big heavy hat.
Wait.
Come on.
Yeah!
You think you emptied it?
Here it comes. It's coming out of the sky again.
No!
It's coming after you.
Coming at you. Here comes right now. Swing. Get it. Get back here. Swing.
Oh.
Close. To your right a little bit. Oh! I think it's empty.
Beat the shit out.
I think it's empty. Watch that mouth. There's kids playing. Beat the what?
Oh.
Okay.
All right. You just drop it then, frankly, my dear.
Hey, save those legs. Tape them back on. Camera. Let Steven take them. Steven or Kim. There's one that was really neat. He got hit by a stroke of light.
Yeah, he saw where he got his brain.
Colleen!
Brain sucked out.
No, he got addition.
I'll read it to you.
An addition.
It says, what does that say?
5.
5. Make a birthday wish, Nate. You make a birthday wish? Okay, make a birthday wish. And your dreams may come true. Michael, Brenda, Jamie, Kaylee, and Lynn.
What?
That lotion?
It's right there, isn't it?
No.
Did you make a wish?
No, that doesn't work.
Oh, I don't know. Brenda, did you?
Oh, they need that tube stuff?
Are those don't say it out loud.
Who is this? Francis.
Where's that from?
It's up in Colleen and
It's
Jam's
from us.
room.
I wish.
Look at his pose though. Look at him.
Being fun.
It's the morning after.
Oh.
There's something that
Is
you
it
want.
heavy?
I want
Yeah, and that's from
Go wish
Colleen.
something
So
that you
Colleen
want for
has
your
to be
birthday.
down here.
I want